we're gonna be trimming my grapes because some of them are dead. So I have to cut some stem and I can use it to put in my compost. Ay, it's hard. This one is the dead one. Oh, did I break something? Oh shit. Oh. I ruined a plant. I end up ruining a stem. And I regret it. Now I'm sad. I'm sad, very, very sad. But it's okay. It'll give some of the plants a chance to grow and mature. Ay, I guess I'm out of Oh, winning plants again. Good Lord. My God. I should stop. But it's dead here, but then it's alive over there. Why is that? Why is that? Why is that? I don't want any more. After the cleanup, looks a little clean. Only a few left, but pretty much they're gonna vine again, so later you're gonna see them crawling all over, everywhere. So this is good. And these are all my mess. My mess. Oh my G. Oh, good luck with that.